Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Suzuki GSXR600. This is your middleweight supersport, inline 4-cylinder, fuel injection, liquid cooled. This bike has a lot of nice upgrades, an awesome sounding M4 exhaust, fender eliminator kit, adjustable levers, smoke windscreen, only 9,200 miles on this gorgeous GSXR 600. Price to sell at just $44.99. Come by, check it out. Oh, it's also got the seat cowl. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.